Hello friends, in my previous video I had completed the question number 1 and 2. Now in this video we will complete the what type of the question asked in question number 3a, that is a complete and write any one activity from the following. Okay, it's a 3 marks. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रों, यापूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. आता या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 3a बघणार आहोत. कोणत्या प्रकारच्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज विचारल्या जातात ते आपण या ठिकाणी बघणार आहोत. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एज ग्रुप इन इयर्स 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Okay, and here is the number of the person 80, 60, 35 and 25. Total number of persons are 200. Measure of central angle for the first 20 to 25. There are the 80%. Okay, and hence up. Now the simplification is 80 upon 200. Okay, into 360. Okay, now these two zeros get cancelled. Okay, 2 ones are 18 into 8, that is you will get 144 first angle. Now what about the second angle? The 60 upon 200 into 360. Again these two zeros get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 ones are, and this is the 18. Therefore the 18 into 6 will get 108. And for the next 35, इथे किती तर easy आहे ते 360. Okay, then you will get 63. Next angle, next simplification, 25 upon 200 into 360. Okay, then you will get 8, and then if we divide it, then you will get 45. Therefore the measure of angle is 45 and total is 360. In this way we have completed this, the measure of the angle, this activity, or to draw the pie diagram. What is the first? 144, this is the correct one. Second is 108, third is 63, 45, total is 360. Okay. Now the second question. One of the roots of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 is 3. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. The first we will replace here x by 3. Okay. One of the root of the quadratic equation, that is the kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0 is 3. Now substitute x is equals to 3. Therefore putting x is equals to 3 in the above equation, k into in bracket 3 square 10 into 3 plus 3. Okay, here you will get 9 k minus 30 plus 3. Minus 30 plus 3 you will get 27, and therefore 9k is equals to 27. 9k is equals to 27, therefore k is equals to 27 upon 9, and therefore that k is equals to 3. Okay, this is the answer. किती answers बघा, x is equals to 3, 3, 3 and 3. 3 लिहिण्यासाठीच किती 2 marks आहेत. Okay, now the next activity. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Complete the following activity to find the probability that the card drawn is S, that is the event A, is a spade event B. Now the activity, S is the sample space, N of S is equals to 52. Event A, the card drawn is a S. Therefore, the number of the S card is 4. Okay. And therefore, the probability N of A upon N of S. This is the formula. N of A is 4. 4 upon 52. And if you simplify, then you will get 1 upon 13. This is the probability of the drawing S card. Okay. Event B, the card drawn is a spade. Spade card किती असतात? तर 13 cards. Okay. And therefore, P of B is equals to N of B upon N of S. And here, if we substitute, तर आपण 13 upon 52, then you will get P of B is equals to 1 by 4. Now the next activity. Shri Shantilal purchased 150 shares of the face value rupees 100 for the market value of rupees 120. Here the face value is 100, number of shares is 150. Company paid dividend at the 7%. Then find the rate of return on his investment. Complete the following activity. Now the face value FE is rupees 100. Number of the shares 150. Market value rupees 120. Sum invested is equals to market value into number of the shares. What's the market value is 120. Therefore, we'll write here 120. Number of the shares 150. And their multiplication is sum invested is equals to rupees 18,000. Okay. Dividend per share. Face value into rate of dividend. What's the face value? The face value is 100. Dividend is always on the face value. Dividend हा कशावरती मिळत असतो? तर face value वरती मिळत असतो. म्हणून face value is rupees 100. Rate of dividend is a 7%. This therefore here 100 and 100 will get cancelled and you will get 7. Okay. Therefore total dividend received is, how many shares are there? 150. 150 into 7. Therefore you will get here 1050. Okay. And therefore the rate of return is equals to dividend income sum invested into 100. Therefore here 1050 upon 18,000 into 100. And if we simplify this, then you will get here, that is a 1050 upon 18,000 into 100. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Means what here? 105 upon 80. Okay. 3 ने पण तुम्ही इथे डिव्हिजन देऊ शकता, सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकतात. Okay. 35 upon 6. Okay. And next, the 5.83%. Okay. Therefore, the rate of return is equals to 5.83. Now, the answer 120 into 150, 18,000 dividend per share is equals to 100 into the rate of dividend 7 upon 100, that is 7. Total dividend received 150 into 7, that is rupees 1050. Rate of return, that is equals to dividend income upon sum invested into 100, 1050 upon 18,000 into 100, that is equals to 5.83%. Okay, 5.83%, and this is the answer. Now the next question. Complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation x square minus 10x minus 24 is equals to 0 using the formula method. Here A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 10, C is equals to minus 24. B square minus 4AC. But what is here B? B is a minus 10 and it's a bracket square. Minus 10 minus 4 into 1 into minus 24. Okay, here you will get 100. And minus 4 into minus 24, you will get 96. Overall, here 196. Okay. X is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac. Here is a b square. Minus in bracket minus 10. That minus and minus will become plus here. Plus or minus in root of 196. The square root of 196 is 14. Now take in first case plus 10 plus 14. You will get 24 upon 2. X is equals to 12. Plus 10 minus 14 minus 4 upon 2. You will get x is equals to minus 2. Okay. And this is the solution. Minus 10, 100, 196. It's a value. Okay. Next. The following frequency distribution table shows number of mangoes trees in a grove, their yield of mangoes, and also the cumulative frequency. Complete the following activity to find median of the data. Okay. Now here the class number of the mangoes 50 to 100. Frequency number of trees. Okay. 33. Next 100 to 150 30. 150 to 200 90. 200 to 250 80. 250 to 300 70. Okay. And the cumulative frequency. First 33 as it is. 33 plus 30 63. 63 plus 90 153. And in this way the cumulative frequency is given. Okay. Here the total number of frequency is n is equals to 250. Okay. N by 2 is 250 upon 2. There you will get 125. Cumulative frequency which is just greater than 125 is 153. Okay. There is a 153. Therefore, the corresponding class is the median class. Which will be the median class? 150 to 200. Median class. This is the 150 to 200 is the median class. Here L. This is the L. L is 150. Okay. F. Corresponding frequency for that median class. This is the F. This is the L. And this is the CF. Okay. And therefore, the corresponding class is 150 to 200 is the median class. L is 150. F is 90. CF is 63. Okay. This is the 63. And what is the length of the interval? Is 50. H is equals to 50. Now the formula. Median is equals to L plus N upon 2. Median's a formula. Minus CF upon F into H. That is 150 N upon 2 means what? It's a 125. 125 minus CF. That is the cumulative frequency. Okay. Upon 90 into 50. Their subtraction is 62. Okay. Therefore, 150 plus 62 upon 90 into 50 is 184.4. Therefore, the median of the data is 184.4 mangoes. Okay. 153, 150 to 200, 63. N by 2 minus CF, 125 minus 63, 62. And hence the answer. Now the next activity. A 2-digit number is to be formed from the digit 2, 3, 5 without repetitions of the digits. Complete the following activity to find the probability that the number so formed is an odd number. Let S be the sample space. First is 23, 25, next is 32, and here is a 35, 52, 53. How many? N of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is a 6. Odd numbers by each other. 23, 25, and here 35. The odd number. Okay. 53. Okay. N of A is 4. P of A is equals to N of A upon N of S. Okay. Now what is the N of A? N of A is 4. N of S is 6. If you simplify, then you will get here 2 by 3. And this is the answer. Okay. You can check it. 35. N of S is 6. 35. N of A upon N of S. 4 by 6. That is the 2 by 3 is the probability. Now the next question. One of the roots of quadratic equation kx square minus x minus 12 is equals to 0 is 3 by 2. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. X is equals to 3 by 2. Okay. Now here, if you replace x by 3 by 2, that is the 3 by 2 bracket square. K into 3 by 2 bracket square. Therefore, here you will get 9 k by 4. Here is a 9k upon 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay. Now the next, after simplification, if you multiply the whole equation by 4, 9k by 4 into 4, you will get 9k. It is 3 by 2 into 4, then you will get minus 6, and again 12 into 4, here you will get 48. Okay. And therefore, here the next simplification, here you will get 9k is equals to 54. Okay. Therefore, k is equals to 54 upon 9. Therefore, k is equals to 6. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे एकदा चेक करू शकताय. 3 by 2 bracket square 9k by 4 48 54 upon 9 k is 6. Okay. Now the next activity. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Complete the following activity to find the mode of ages of the patient. Okay. Now here the age in years 5 to 10. Number of the patient is 36. 10 to 15 30. 15 to 20 50. 20 to 25 38. 25 to 30 24. 30 to 35 22. Okay. Now the activity. For the model class, the model class is 15 to 20. The frequency कसे जास्त आहे. Therefore, the model class is a 15-20. Okay. Now the mode. This is the L. Therefore, here we will write the formula. This is treated as F1. Here is a F0. F2. Therefore, the formula is F1 minus F0 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 in this way. Okay. Into H. Now the substitute the value. F1 minus F0. 50 minus 30. Here write the 50 minus 30. Substitute the values. 2 times F1. 2 times F1, that is a 2 into 50 minus F0. What is F0? F0 is a 30, and 30 minus 30 minus 38. Okay. And then after the simplification, 50 minus 30, you will get here 20. Here 100 minus 68. Okay, therefore you will get here 30. Okay, here is a 20 upon 32. Here is also 20 upon 32. And after simplification, here 20 into 5. Here you will get 100 upon 32. And therefore, after the simplification, that is 100 upon 32. हे simplification तुम्ही इथे बाजूला करू शकता. ओके, here is 100 upon, अजून ते मिनिमाइज करता येईल आपल्याला. Here is a 25 and 8. Therefore, 25 upon 8. Now simplify this. Therefore, here 3. Okay. Next is a 1. That is a 3.125. And if we add it with the 15, then you will get 18.125. या प्रकारे तुम्ही ते simplify करू शकता. Okay. Now see this here. The first is 15 to 20. Next is the formula f1 minus f0, 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2. Okay, into 5. Next is 20 upon 100 minus 68, 20 upon 32 into 5. 25 upon it is simplify करता येऊ शकते ते आपल्याला. Okay. 25 upon, after the simplification, you will get here. After simplification, you will get 18.125. Okay. Now the next. If x is equals to 5 is a root of quadratic equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0. Then find the value of k by completing the following activity. One root of quadratic equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0 is 5. Substituting x is equals to 5 in our equation. Therefore, here you will get k into 5 square minus 14 into 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, you will get here 25 minus 70 minus 5. 25k. Therefore, here you will get 75. Therefore, k is equals to 75 upon 25 and k is equals to 3. Okay. Now, here is the solution. Now, the next activity. Alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus 5x minus 1 is equals to 0. Complete the following activity to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now, here is the equation x square minus 5x minus 1 is equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 5, c is minus 1. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Minus 5 upon 1, you will get here 5. Alpha into beta, c upon a. What is the c? C is a minus 1 upon a. Minus 1 upon a is 1. And overall, you will get minus 1. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Then you will get here, that is a 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Okay. Alpha plus beta, the value of alpha plus beta is 5 cube minus 3. Alpha into beta is minus 1. Alpha plus beta is 5. 5 cube means what? 125. And this minus and minus will become plus. Therefore, you will get here 15. Okay. And therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 140. Now, see this here, the same solution. This is the formula. And answer is 140. Okay. 125 plus 15, 140. Now, the next question. The frequency distribution of marks scored by student is given below. Marks 0 to 10, Number of the student is 3. 10 to 20, 10. 20 to 30, okay, 20. And 30 to 40, 5. 40 to 52. Complete the following activity to find the mean marks scored by the student. Now this is the first column, marks, class mark. Okay. Then this is the class mark, 5, 15, 25. What is the difference? Difference is 10. 10s are difference. Okay. And therefore here 25 plus 10. Then therefore here you will get 35. Or 30 plus 40. 70 upon 2, 35. Next, frequency. So frequency किती है पहला class sheet. The first class has the frequency 3. 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 10. Here is a 150. Okay. Next is sum of all these numbers. Okay. Here we will write here their addition. If you add it, so तुम्ही add केले then you will get 930. Okay. And therefore the mean is equals to, what is the formula? Summation fi xi upon summation fi. Therefore 930 upon 40, and if we simplify it, then you will get, that is a 930 upon 40. This 0 get cancelled, and here you will get 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then 4 3s are 12. Then again the 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Therefore the answer is 23.25. This is the mean. 23.25. This is the mean. Okay. You can see this here. 23.25. Now the next activity. The following table shows the daily supply of electricity to different places in a town. To show the information by a pie diagram, measures of central angles are to be decided. Complete the following activity to find the measures of angles. Is the activity road, places. That is the supply of electricity is 4. Okay. 4 upon 30 into 360. Okay. And after simplification, you get 48. Next, factories. Factories साठी calculate करना. What about here? The total is 30. Okay. Now to find out this, the value of x. Okay. This x is equals to, that is a 360 upon 30. Therefore here, if we x upon 30 into 360, and that is equals to 144. That is after simplification, you will get here 30. Here is 12. Therefore x is equals to 144 upon 12. You will get x is equals to 12. Therefore substitute here 12, and here is also 12. Next, shops 6, supply of electricity 6 upon 30. Okay. And after 6 upon 30 into 360. Then 6 into 12. Therefore here you will get 72 after simplification. That is a 6 upon 30 and into 360. Again this simplification is at 12. 12 into 6 you will get 72. Next, 8. Here is 8 upon 30. Okay. Therefore again 8 into 12, you get here 96. And in this way, these are the measures of central angles and sometimes the other fill in the blanks. या प्रकारे आपल्याला ते fill करता येईल. Okay. Now see this again here. Answers. First is 360, 12 upon 30, 72, 96. Okay. Next question, Bakari. The difference between the ages of a mother and her daughter is 24 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 9. Complete the following activity to find mother's age. Let the mother's present age be x years. Therefore, the daughter present age is x minus 24 years. Okay. The reciprocal of mother's age is 1 upon x. Okay. Next, the reciprocal of daughter age is 1 upon x minus 24. And according to the given condition, what is that? The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 9. Therefore, here 1 upon 9. Okay. And after the simplification, simplify karna. Okay. Therefore, after the cross multiplication, what you will get here? 1 into x minus 24. X minus 24. 1 into x means what? Plus x. Okay. And this divided by x into in bracket x minus 24 is equals to 1 upon 9. After the cross multiplication, x plus x, you will get here 2x minus 24. Okay. Upon x into x, you will get here x square minus 24x. Now, cross multiplication. After the cross multiplication, that is a 9 into 2x, you will get here 18x. Here 18x. 9 into 24. Therefore, here you will get 216. Okay. Is equals to x square minus 24x. And again the simplification. Minus 24x and minus 18x. Therefore, here you will get 42x. X square minus 42x plus 216 is equals to 0. That's a factorization karna. Okay. Therefore, x is equals to 36, x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 is impossible. Therefore, here we'll write x is equals to 6 is unacceptable because the mother's present age cannot be 6 years. Okay. And hence the answer. Now the next activity. The difference between the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 13x plus k is equals to 0 is 7. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 13, c is equals to k. Alpha and beta be the roots of equation. Then what is alpha plus beta? Sum of the roots minus b upon a. That is minus 13 minus in bracket minus 13 upon 1. Therefore, alpha plus beta is 13. Alpha minus beta. Okay. We have given the difference of the roots, that is a 7. Alpha minus beta is 7. Now adding these two equations, alpha plus beta, there is alpha plus beta. If we solve this, आपण ते लिहू शकत नाही, पण आपण साइडला इथे ते कॅल्क्युलेशन करू शकतो. अल्फा प्लस बीटा is equals to 13 and alpha minus beta is equals to 7. If we add it, then you will get 2 alpha is equals to 20. Therefore, alpha is equals to 2 alpha is equals to 20. Alpha is equals to 10. Substituting the value of alpha in equation 1. This is the equation 1. Alpha plus beta is equals to 13. Alpha ची value आपण 10 टाकली. Therefore, beta is equals to 3. Alpha into beta. is equals to C upon A. Okay. Now the value of C is a K upon 1, and therefore alpha into beta is equals to K. Okay. Now what is alpha? Alpha is equals to 10, beta is 3. Therefore alpha is 10 and beta is 3. Their multiplication is 30. Therefore K is equals to 30. हेच तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Now the next activity. Messrs. J Chemicals purchased liquid soap having taxable value rupees 8,000. Okay, and sold it to customer for the taxable value 10,000. The rate of GST is 18%. Complete the following activity to find the GST payable by the Messrs. J Chemicals. Okay. Input tax. त्याने कितीला purchase केलेले? The 8,000 ला. Therefore, input tax on 8,000 rupees 8,000. Okay. This is the input tax for the 8,000. Here is the 8,000 into 18 upon 100. These two zeros get cancelled. Therefore, we'll get here 1,440. Here is a 1,440. Okay. Output tax. ते कशावरती असणार आहे? तर ते 10,000 वर असणार आहे. This is the 10,000. Okay. And therefore 10,000 into 18 upon 100. Okay. These two zeros get cancelled. 100 into 18, you will get 1,800. Okay. GST payable. What is that? Input tax. Sorry. Output tax minus input tax. This is the output tax minus input tax. Okay. 1,800 minus 1,440, and therefore here you will get 360. Okay. This is the GST payable. Okay. This is the answer. And in this way, we have completed the question number 3A. What type of the activity will be asked in board examination? याच प्रकारे आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 3A इथे कंप्लीट करतो. कोणत्या प्रकारच्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज विचारल्या जातात? नाव वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. टिल देन, गुड बाय.